In this video, I'm going to show you how to get butterfly dye in Once Human for completely free. Now, once you're a beginner in this game, you can actually get some butterfly dye to change the color of your hair and stuff like that on your character once you've already created him for free inside the game. Now, what you want to do is click B on your keyboard, right-click, go into Facilities and Function Facility, and then build a male, okay? Simply place it down wherever you want to. I have it here in front of me. Then walk up to it, and then you will have to press F to access this thing, as you can see. And then you have a bunch of mail in here. What you want to do is look for this welcome gift mail by V. You want to press it, and in here it says you can get 3 butterfly dyes for completely free. As you can see, you can simply press claim and it will give you 3 butterfly dyes. You can then use these by going to your floor mirror, and over here, as you can see, you can use this which says it's a commonly seen hair dye. It is said that its colors were inspired by the colors of butterfly wings, etc. And this will allow you to basically color your hair inside Once Human, and I'm sure there's some more uses to it that I don't know. However, that's how you get it, and I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.